Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kim. On this channel we discuss about everything entrepreneurship, personal finance and investment. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like, comment, subscribe and share the video so you can receive more money making tips from me. Now I've noticed that in some of my videos I talk really fast. I'm sorry about that, and I'll try my best to slow my pace and speak in a more comprehensive manner. And let's get right into today's video. Today we'll be talking about how to clear your debt using the snowball method. I think I made a short video about how to clear your debt using the snowball method and the avalanche method. But this video is going to go a little bit more in depth into how to use this method. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, what is the snowball method? The snowball method is a debt reduction strategy that involves you paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on other debts. These debts can be medical bills, it can be car loans, student loans, credit card debts, whatever it is. The snowball method works for it. In the snowball method, once you clear the smallest debt, you roll the payments over to the next smallest debt, and you keep on going like that. This snowball method is very, very important. It's very, very effective because it gives you the motivation to continue paying off your debt because you see progress faster. So the steps you need to do to clear your debt using the snowball strategy is: number one, list your debts. You want to make sure you list all of your debts, the medical bills, the personal loans, credit card loans, whatever it is, student loans. List everything with the interest rates that apply to them, with the outstanding balances. You list out the minimum monthly payments and the interest rates for each of these debts. So once you've listed out all of these debts, the next step you want to take is to create a budget. To clear any kind of debt, it requires a certain level of discipline. So for this method to be effective, you have to learn to cut back on some of your expenses, which means you have to temporarily sacrifice some luxuries. So once you sacrifice those luxuries, you create a budget. This is the amount you spend, and whatever extra money you make during that month for your monthly income, you save it up to clear your debt, your smallest debt. So one thing that makes budgeting easier is to use a budgeting software or budgeting spreadsheet. There are free budgeting softwares that you can use. We have Google Sheets, Every Dollar, Good Budget. All of these budgeting softwares are free to use, and so using budgeting spreadsheets or softwares will facilitate your journey to clearing all of your debts. So once you've created a list of all of your debts, once you've created a budget, the next thing you want to do is to attack your smallest debt. This is the very interesting part about the snowball method, because now you get to clear your debt. If it is the medical bill that is the smallest now, irrespective of the high interest rates that apply, you clear it off. If it is your personal loans, you clear it off. So you can either pay it at a whole or bit by bit. And once you've cleared it off, the next thing you want to do is to roll the snowball. Roll the snowball means you are moving on to the next smallest debt on your list. The interesting part about the snowball method is that because you are clearing the smallest debt, you see progress faster. It motivates you to do even more. So you just see progress faster. So I also want you to understand that you're not totally ignoring all of your other debts. You are making minimum payments on them. Whatever payments you make from all other income that is coming in for you, you make little payments on all of those payments, but on all of those debts. But the majority of the money you are making, it should go into servicing the smallest loans that you have. So once you service all those loans, after you roll the snowball, the next thing you want to do is to repeat step 3 and 4, which is to attack the smallest debt and roll the snowball again. Yes, you've moved on to the next smallest debt on your list. So once you clear that list, you move on to the next one, then you move on to the next one again, then you move on to the next one. That's the thing about you attack the smallest debt, you roll the snowball. You attack this debt, then you roll the snowball again, and before you know it, you'll be free in no time. That's the thing about the snowball method, and it doesn't matter the interest rate that apply to them. And like I said, you can make little payments on all of the loans that have high interest rates, but that's not your goal in the snowball method. Now your goal is to get progress fast, so you clear all of your little debts first. Once you've done all of these steps, the next thing you want to do is to celebrate your wins. Yes, you've attacked your smallest debt down to the largest, and now you've cleared all of your debt. It's now time to celebrate your wins. You want to make sure you treat yourself to a nice meal, or you go shopping, or you buy that nice bag for yourself. Just make sure you celebrate yourself, but do it in a way that you don't break the bank. One, and make sure you try your best to not get into debt again, because getting into debt can be very frustrating, because it takes a lot. It doesn't give you financial freedom, and it takes a lot of your time. It takes a lot of your effort. So you want to make sure you do not get into debt again. So celebrate your wins, celebrate yourself, and that is how to use the Snowball method to clear all of your debts. I'm making a video about how to use the avalanche method, so you guys can choose which one works for you. So that's it on this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you have any questions, ask them. I will respond. So that's it on today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.